Right, let's talk about something properly brilliant. It's called the F-35 Lightning II. You've probably seen pictures of it. It's that pointy, futuristic-looking jet that seems to have come straight out of a science fiction film. This aircraft is a huge deal in the world of military aviation, a real top-of-the-class performer. It's designed to be smarter, faster, and sneakier than anything that has come before it. But what makes it so special isn't just its sleek shape or the clever computers inside. At its core, there is something truly extraordinary pushing it through the sky, something that gives it all its muscle and magic. That something is its engine. And it's not just any old engine, oh no. We are talking about the Pratt Whitney F135. Think of it less like a car engine and more like the heart of a world-class athlete. It is the single most important part of the F-35, providing all the immense power the jet needs to do its incredible stunts. Without this powerhouse, the F-35 would just be a very expensive and very complicated glider. It's the engine that gives the pilot the ability to climb like a rocket, turn on a sixpence, and outmaneuver anyone who dares to challenge it. It is, quite simply, a masterpiece of engineering. Now, this engine is what we call a fifth-generation engine. That sounds a bit technical, doesn't it? But all it really means is that it's packed with the very latest technology. It's a massive leap forward from the engines that powered older jets. Those were powerful for sure, but the F-135 is in a completely different league. It's like comparing a classic sports car to a modern hypercar. The F-135 is not only more powerful, but it's also smarter and more integrated with the aircraft itself, working in perfect harmony with all the other advanced systems on board the F-35. So, when a contract was recently announced for a new batch of these incredible engines, it was big news. This wasn't just another order for parts. It was a commitment to keeping the F-35 fleet at the absolute cutting edge of technology. The agreement ensures that pilots from the United States and its allies will have the most advanced and capable jets in the world for years to come. It's a vote of confidence in the F-135 and a recognition that this engine is the key to maintaining air superiority in an increasingly complex world. It's the roaring heart of a truly modern marvel. So, what makes this F-135 engine such a game changer? Well, it comes down to two things: raw power and incredible stealth. Let's start with the power. This engine produces over 40,000 pounds of thrust. That is a colossal amount of force. To put that into perspective, it's more power than several Formula One cars put together, all concentrated into one single engine. This immense thrust allows the F-35 to accelerate with astonishing speed and perform maneuvers that would simply be impossible for older jets. It can go supersonic, breaking the sound barrier with ease, giving pilots a crucial speed advantage in any situation. But here's the clever bit. It's not just about being fast, it's about being invisible. The F-135 engine is a huge part of the F-35's low-observability technology, which is a fancy way of saying it's designed for stealth. The engine's shape and the materials it's made from are all carefully crafted to minimize its radar signature. Enemy radar works by bouncing radio waves off an object. The F-135 is designed to scatter those waves or absorb them rather than reflecting them back. This makes the F-35 incredibly difficult to spot on an enemy's radar screen, almost like a ghost in the sky. This combination of stealth and power is what makes the F-35 so effective. A pilot can fly into a dangerous area, what the military calls a contested environment, without the enemy even knowing they are there. They can get closer to their target, complete their mission, and fly away before the other side has a chance to react. As one of the head engineers at Pratt Whitney said, it allows pilots to strike anywhere without being detected. It's the ultimate advantage, giving them the element of surprise and keeping them much safer while they do their job. Think of it like this. An older jet is like a big loud lorry rumbling down the motorway. You can see it and hear it coming from miles away. The F-35, powered by the F-135, is more like a silent electric supercar that's been painted to blend in with the road. By the time you realize it's there, it has already sped past you. This ability to operate undetected is not just a neat trick. It's a fundamental requirement for modern air combat, and the F-135 engine is absolutely central to making it possible. It's the quiet enabler of overwhelming power. Building an engine this powerful and stealthy is one thing, but making it reliable is a completely different challenge. Military jets operate in the harshest conditions imaginable, from scorching deserts to freezing Arctic skies, and they are pushed to their absolute limits. The F135 engine has been designed from the ground up to be incredibly tough and dependable. Since it first started flying back in 2006, the engine has built up an exceptional track record for reliability, having now flown over 1 million hours across the global fleet. That's an amazing achievement and a testament to the quality of its design and construction. A key part of this reliability is its advanced digital health management system. This is like having a team of tiny mechanics living inside the engine, constantly monitoring its performance. Sophisticated sensors track everything from temperature and pressure to vibrations. This system is so smart that it can predict when a part might need attention before it actually fails. This is called predictive maintenance, and it completely changes how the jets are looked after. Instead of waiting for something to break, ground crews can schedule maintenance proactively, which saves a huge amount of time and money, and most importantly, keeps the jets ready to fly. Another brilliant piece of design is something called tri-variant commonality. The F-35 comes in 3 different versions, one for the Air Force, one for the Navy that can land on aircraft carriers, and one for the Marine Corps that can take off and land vertically. Amazingly, the F-135 engine is designed to be almost identical across all 3 versions. This is an engineering masterstroke. It makes manufacturing much simpler and means that spare parts and maintenance procedures are largely the same for the entire fleet. This simplifies logistics enormously, reducing costs and making it easier to support the jets no matter where they are operating in the world. This focus on sustainability and easy maintenance is vital. In the past, jet engines were notoriously difficult and expensive to keep running. The F-135, with its smart health monitoring and common design, is built for the long haul. It reduces the burden on maintenance crews and lowers the overall cost of operating the F-35 fleet. This ensures that the aircraft is not only the most capable in the sky, but also sustainable over its entire lifespan. It's clever, practical engineering that makes a real difference on the ground, ensuring the jets are always ready for the call. The impact of the F-135 engine goes far beyond the battlefield. It's also a massive economic engine right here at home. The program is a huge undertaking that involves a vast network of people and companies. In the United States alone, the F-135 program supports over 67,000 jobs. These aren't just jobs at Pratt and Whitney's main factories, they are spread across 240 different suppliers in numerous states. From small family-owned machine shops to larger tech firms, thousands of people play a part in building this incredible piece of technology. In 2024, the program contributed over $9 billion to the US economy. This investment is set to deliver even more value in the future. The US Department of Defense recently decided to upgrade the existing F-135 engine rather than develop a brand new alternative. This decision to stick with and improve the F-135 is expected to generate an astonishing $40 billion in savings over the lifetime of the F-35 program. These savings come from avoiding the massive cost of developing a new engine from scratch and by leveraging the existing supply chain and maintenance infrastructure. This is a smart financial move that frees up money for other important defense priorities while still providing a massive boost in performance. These upgrades, known as the Engine Core Upgrade or ECU, will ensure the F-35 can handle all the new capabilities planned for it in the coming years. As the jet gets more advanced sensors, weapons, and computer systems, it will need more power and more cooling. The ECU provides exactly that, giving the F-35 the electrical power and thermal management it needs to stay ahead of any potential threats. This forward-thinking approach ensures that the aircraft will remain the world's most advanced fighter jet for decades to come, fully aligned with the nation's defense strategy. Ultimately, the F-135 engine is a perfect example of how cutting-edge technology can strengthen both national security and the economy. It provides our pilots with a decisive advantage, allowing them to operate with a level of stealth and power that was once unimaginable. At the same time, it fuels economic growth, supports tens of thousands of skilled jobs, and demonstrates a commitment to smart, long-term investment. It's more than just a piece of machinery. It's a symbol of innovation that powers our future in the air and on the ground. And that is, without a doubt, properly brilliant.